Today we'll be visiting with an employee at the City of Oceanside, specifically in the Public Works Department. Here, people in a variety of trades come together to help keep the city running, like this maintenance specialist who works here near the Oceanside Harbor.
I'm Nathan Erb. I'm a maintenance worker 3 with the City of Oceanside here in the harbor. So I'm a part of a team of Public Works, which is well over 100 employees. My division down here in the harbor in maintenance is about 12 guys and women that take care of all the maintenance and construction needs that are done in-house here to support the beach operations and the slips in the marina. We have almost 1,000 slips for people to permanently berth their vessels here. So I actually went to Cal State for almost a year and a half right out of high school with no real declared major, just because I was raised that I was supposed to get a 4-year degree. It didn't work out for me that way. And then so I did the community college thing. I was an EMT for a little while. And eventually I learned that I'm better at fixing things than I am at fixing people. So I went to trade school and became an industrial and diesel mechanic, and then eventually found my way down here into the harbor. To qualify to get a job like this, you don't have to have a bachelor's degree. Some technical training is certainly helpful when we get lots of applicants. A skilled trade, or at least getting through an apprenticeship in one of the skilled trades, plumbing, electrician, carpentry, we use all of those skills down here. Most importantly for us is attitude, good work history, the ability to learn, and the ability to be part of a team. When we're looking to hire somebody, some of the things we're looking for is just an energy about the person, someone who's going to want to be moving, someone who's going to want to find work, get it done, and own the job. Someone who can work well with others, and someone who can fit into a team in any position. Someone who can lead someone if they're the most skilled person in that particular assignment, and someone who's happy holding the shovel if they're on somewhere where they're not necessarily the expert in that particular job. I like the people I work with, and that I get to come to the beach every day and get paid to do it. I get to take care of an area that I grew up enjoying, and come down to the beach that I loved as a kid every single day as an adult.